Hello, today we're going to be heating magnesium ribbon in a crucible to produce magnesium oxide. First of all, I'm going to take a crucible and lid and weigh it to make sure the balance is zeroed. We weigh that and record the mass. Right, next I'm going to get some magnesium ribbon. This is approximately 8 centimetres in length. I'm going to coil it loosely, it has to be loosely coiled. Try not to get splinters in my fingers at the same time. Place into the crucible. And we're going to reweigh this and record the mass, reweigh on the same balance I should say, record the mass of the crucible lid and magnesium. Okay, next we can move this over to the pipe clay triangle. If we carefully place that in the centre. It's cold at the moment, so I don't have to use tongs. And now that's ready for heating.
Okay, I'm going to light my Bunsen now. Pop it onto a blue flame, a roaring blue flame, and I'm going to adjust the gas so that the blue cone in the flame lies just underneath the crucible. Just above the blue cone is the hottest part of the flame. So that's perfect. Okay, I've been heating it for about a minute now. So I'm going to lift the lid and show you what's going on inside. When we lift the lid, we're allowing more oxygen into the crucible. And can you see the magnesium begins to glow? Once it's glowing, pop the lid back on just to control the reaction so it doesn't get out of hand. And then once again, lift the lid, let it glow for a moment. Pop the lid on. Now you can see the reaction is slowing down, so at this point you can pop your crucible lid on the heat-proof mat and continue to heat the crucible for 5 minutes more. At this stage, if you take your tongs and very, very gently sort of agitate the magnesium oxide just to release any unreacted magnesium. It's not very powdery, and be really, really careful because you could break the crucible and burn yourself, but that can help the reaction to finish off. Okay, I've heated that for 5 minutes now, so I'm going to pull the Bunsen out, pop it on a yellow flame and switch it off. Okay, now if you leave your crucible to cool, give it at least 5 minutes. If you can give it more, that's much safer for you. And then we're going to weigh it again.
Hello again. Our crucible has been cooling for 5 minutes, slightly longer than that is good. So we're now going to lift it up very carefully with our tongs and reweigh on the same balance that we used before. So carefully does it. Make sure the balance is zeroed. Place it down gently, and I'll record the mass. Okay, and now you can go on to do your calculations. Have fun.